JH304 25th Tuesday, 25th February Tuesday. Yes, that's it. Correct. Well done. 10 points to you, Joshua. Okay, so now, okay, guys, listen. Okay, so I want to say a bit about question 1. If I airdrop this to you, okay, just take note the answer got a bit of mistake. Okay, why? Let me share with you what the marker says. Okay, this is, imagine this is step 1. Step 1, okay, first of all, it's a show question. So you cannot write down equality on both sides. You need to start from one side. So you can see I start from the left hand side. Okay, don't remember the question? Bless you. Okay, so remember the question? Remember, you're supposed to show. So you need to start with this. Start with the left hand side first. Okay, then after that you write down first step of working on something else. You can write this down. After that you write the next time. Start with this only. Can you start with this. Okay, can only start at one side. So then now from here to here, okay. So okay, if you all see the one in black, if you go from this step to this step, okay, you might lose 1 mark. Okay, so what do I need to do? Children, see carefully. Step 2. Now evaluate your own working. I didn't check in detail for those who have submitted. Sorry. But if you have done this, I need you to write 2 log 33. Okay, because the marker needs to see explicitly your power law. Okay, just remember for Xingyu, make sure I can see your face. I cannot see your face. Okay, so Xingyu, take out your jacket. No, I cannot see you. Take out. Cannot see. I want to see your handsome face. Okay, so I want to see your handsome face. Okay, so the markers wants to see power law. Understand? So some students will do this. They jump from here, they straight they go and write 2. Cannot. You need to write this part first. Clear? Who does this affect? Okay, this affects strong students. Okay, like you. A lot of students, they like to skip steps. Okay, they like to skip steps. So they jump, example, they do log. Some of them, they just jump from here, straight away they go and write 2. Cannot. Okay, if you do that, you will get marked down. Especially for quiz 1. Try to be very daggy and elaborate. Okay, step number 2. Okay, you must remember, you start from one side, you end on the other side. This is the start from the left hand side, you end on the right hand side. Clear so far? Because you are doing proving, you're not doing solving. Show is you must show left, start from the left, end on the right. Okay? Clear about this? So another thing to note for the test is, okay, last time, you all remember, okay, the way you all do quiz is your question, right? Okay, first page, instruction. Second page onwards is all the, okay, question is here, question, then got space, right? Question, then got space, right? This year onwards, no more. Okay, this year onwards, what will it look like? It will be a question booklet. There will be it's something like PSLE. Question booklet, question 1, question 2, question 3, then you get another answer booklet. Okay, so far, this is the A-level format, so we are also following this. Is it okay? Can Okay. Yeah, okay, so question 1, then you have space. Question 2, space. Okay, so the space will be here. So you just remember, okay? So it's different from last year. Okay. So now, next one. Don't worry, the water is boiled for 7 times 7, 49 days. Okay. Okay, so what I want to say? Forgot. Okay. Okay, so question 1, part 2. Okay. Have I told you all factorization must show the bracket? Have? Have? Okay. Okay, then this answer. 18.7. Everyone can get 18.7? Cannot get. Can you leave the answer like this? Yes, it's okay. If I'm not correct, I think I checked. It's okay. I checked the answer is correct. Okay. Then question 2. Those who wrong, please do correction. Make sure your assignment is on the table. If there's anything not waterproof on your table, best to put it away. Yeah. Okay. Paper, sorry, paper is, sorry. Here is it? Second to the third step. Okay, so, sorry. Okay, there's a bit of a skipping here. Let me see. Okay. Okay, so here, this and this. Can I say this? Can I? Okay. Can I say LG9 is the same as LG3 square, which is 2LG3? Can ho? Now on this side, can I say that if I multiply 2 top and the bottom, can I do this? I multiply by 2 top and bottom, is it okay? Now, after that, can you see now, the far left and the right, they have the same denominator. Sit up straight, don't lean on the table. Okay, so 2 log x plus log x. That's why I get 3 log x over 2 log 3. Is it okay? Can ho? So these are teacher solutions, sometimes not so student friendly. Okay, then from here, then we go on from here. Okay, so you see 4 multiplied by 2. So this blue multiplied by blue gives you 8 log 3. Divide by 3, divide by 3. Okay? Everyone okay? Can It's math. Where's your assignment? Oh, you never self-mark. Okay. Can Okay. So, can I go to question 2? Question 2, I just want to say, okay, a lot of you ask why it's 1 dp. Because the question says so lah. So just remember you have to read the question. Question is king. Question asks for 1 dp. That's why we say 1 dp. Okay? Can question say 1 dp, 1 dp. Okay Where's your assignment, Alex? Where's your assignment? Where's your assignment? You didn't bring You submit it, then you never bring. You must go bring when I go through So okay, welcome you at the sitting down. Okay, make sure you stand up. Okay. So yeah. One part to answer. Okay, just pause a while. Okay, make sure you have your assignment. So I go through, I share some important things for the future with you. Okay? Can where's your assignment? Okay. Assignment's here. Very good. Okay, I knew I can count. Okay, so question 2. Question 2, okay, you have, okay, this is a typical substitution question now. So you have 2 power x. 2 power 6 equals to 2, 2 power x equals to 6. X equals to 1 or 2.6. 1 dp because question says so. Question requirement, just remember, question require. Okay. Question require. Is that usually the case? No. Usually it's 3SF. Okay? Yeah. Usually if answer can be exact is the best. Okay. Eden okay? Alia? Can Okay. Oh, okay. Emily, okay? Archie, okay. Then I go on. Log 4, 0.602. Okay, of course, answer can be exact is the best. Answer can be exact is the best. Sorry. Good. Okay, okay, now the curve. Once again, remember, this gives you 1 mark. This gives you 1 mark. The shape is another mark. So you need to draw all of them properly. The intercept, the asymptote, the shape. Those are important things to consider. So, assignment. Go ahead. You submit or you never get back? You never get both. You got right name? I remember I saw your practice set 2. I was marking it last time. But I didn't see 3 in the assignment. You go back and check again. Huh? One second. Call it, it's okay. I pass to you. Okay, so I go to, sorry, just now who called me? Okay. Okay, your curve must show the top half and the bottom half equally. Yours is showing too much of the bottom but very little of the top. So ideally, the line, the curve, right, it should be 50%, 50%. Yours is like 30%, 70%. Okay, Notice how the line here is like a screenshot. They end at the same place. That's the ideal case. Like that, okay. Okay, higher a bit. Okay. So next one, 3 part 3. 3 part 3. 3 part 3, is it okay? I think it's relatively difficult. You all get? Colin can remember? Never get. Okay, so this kind of question, what they ask you to do is, okay, basically you need to recreate the original equation, which is log x. Log x is the original equation. How do I manipulate from here to here? So you know that, okay, basically I will need a base 10, right? I'll definitely need a base 10 because if I'm LG, if I'm converting LG, you know that if this is the last step, the second last step will be 10 power something, right? It will be log base 10. So it will be like 10. If log LGX is going to be my subject, right? I know I need this on the left hand side. So I move from here all the way to here. This graph is already drawn. Now I draw this extra graph. The intersection of these two will also solve the first equation. Right? Step to step, we call this a tautology. Tautology means they have the same meaning, even just in different form. Right? They have the same meaning. So if I manipulate the solution to these two, it will also be a solution to these two. Is it okay? Anyone totally to understand what I say? To understand? How you to understand? Where did my gun go? Do you understand? Oh, okay. From here to here, okay or not? Not easy, you know. You're sure you're no question? Huh? Yes. This. Yeah, let me see. Up to second step is still correct. Up to here, half divided by. There is no 1/4 here. This is not the same. This is not the same. This is not the same as this. X over 4. Okay, you see, first to second step wrong. X over 4. This is not the same as 10 power x times 10 power 1/4. This is equals to 10 power x plus 1/4. Not times 1/4. So your first to second step is wrong. Okay, Okay, all okay? You're doing now. Okay, so we just do now. Okay. Can who's that squeezing the thing? Okay, you. Okay, so okay. How do you say? Okay, can Okay, next one. 3 part 3. Question 4. Question 4, we are packing. We are doing the idea of packing. So we are packing all the log together. Okay, in order to remove the log. Okay, so packing allows us to remove. Are you feeling better? Okay, good. Okay, slowly. Okay, so we pack all the logs together. See, log A minus log B minus log C. Log A over B. This is quotient log. Okay, this is quotient log. Can you see? Quotient log. Then 5 I bring over to get 5 power 1 to get rid of my log. When I solve, I get an x value. Make sure this satisfies your equation. Can Make sure this satisfies your equation, Okay. Okay, 1 second. I just check. Okay. Log AX. Okay, you solve. So children, you solve. You get 2 power x equals to 2, or okay, 2 power x equals to 2 power x equals to -3. Can you go on? Why cannot? Why cannot? No, just now I was aiming for the bird. Sorry, I missed. Okay, so why cannot? What's the reason? Okay, so you say cannot reject. What must you do? After you write reject, you need to write down the Archie. What do I need to write down after I write reject? Write down the Jia Kai. What do you need to write? After I reject, I must write down reason. What's the reason? No reason. Who said no reason? Was it you? Huh? Was it you? Okay. Because 2 power x is always larger than 0. Okay, Okay, so you see a difference here. Okay. Log x equals to negative 6 there. Do you reject? Who thinks you should reject? Should I reject? What? Negative Archie, should I reject? Should I reject? Should I reject? No. Huh? Should I reject? See, should I? Shouldn't. Why? Because this value can be negative. You understand? So if a log of a function is less than 0, is okay. But if a power less than 0, this is not okay. Clear so far? So I saw a lot of people do this and then they go and reject. That's not right. That's not right. Okay? You are losing answers. Why? Because from here, you see this is e. Your x is actually e power minus 6. Legit. Okay. Now, once again, if you take y equals to log ax, what are the restrictions on a and x? I want to ask. Very quickly. What are the restrictions on a and x? Can anyone tell me? I know you know. I'm very confident you know answer. That's why I don't want to ask you. Okay. I also think you will know. So I want to ask someone who can benefit from answering the question. Jia Kai, what's the condition on A? What's the condition on A? A cannot be 0. Correct. Okay. What else was more? I'm sure Jia Kai knows. Not sure. What about X? Shivani, I saw you saying her answers. A cannot be. A must be what? More than 1. Can it be between more than 0 and cannot be negative? Cannot be 1. Very good. Okay, incomplete. Okay, so what about X? Jia Kai, now your turn again. X also? Similar to A. X cannot be. X must be. X must be larger than 0. Good. Okay. What about Y? Yen. What's the condition on Y? Did I hear you? Never. I'll bring a bigger bagan tomorrow. So I borrow from my son. Yeah, I have to pay $1 to rent from him. Okay, so what's the condition on Y? Tiong Kai? Huh? Don't know? Y can be anything. Remember? Y can be anything. If you see your graph here, Y can be anything. The Y can be anything. But X is only positive. Can you see? Your Y can be anything. Boleh not? Your Y can be anything. Okay, okay. Okay, so back to the notes, Okay. So I go to this part. Okay, when I was marking, I also realized that a lot never plus minus. So just be careful. If you never plus minus, common mistake is people just wrote this. They forgot log y is negative root 2, which I wrote for you. So you just remember that 10 minus square root 2. Okay? Can Yeah. So the answer got 2. Remember, square root must plus minus. Okay? Remember, must plus minus. Okay? Remember the plus minus. Yes. Plus minus. You forgot plus minus. Can all? You always must plus. Okay, yeah. I mean x squared. If you start from a square, you must plus minus. Min got do? No. Okay. Kaisen got do? Kaisen got do. Okay. Try to give me by Thursday. Yeah, I need by Thursday. Because, okay, why? You all give me by Thursday, I can give you back Friday. Then you have the weekend to use it to study. That's why I rush. You see, I rush. Because I count back the number of days. If I want to give you all your materials by this week, I must get it by Thursday. Yeah, okay? Okay, can? Don't copy. Do yourself. Okay, so there's a difference between log y square. Is this correct? Can I say this? No, because this square is for the entire log y. Right? That's why I cannot use power law. But the power law is only applied when 2 is for y itself. Okay, so far? So don't use power law anyhow. Okay? Can, Okay. Question 5, I will not go through. Read the solution yourself. Okay? Yeah. I think you get what meaning, huh? Okay. Sorry? Can. If you're okay, I pass around the file. Then just help me to donate kindly, generously. Three part 3. Which one? Same question. 3 part 3. Your answer mark already. Mark already don't need to submit. Mark already don't need to submit. How come? Just give me a second, okay? No meeting. Okay, hurry. Okay. Okay. So I go to question 3. Okay. Question 3, the idea is this. Okay, you see, if you see a question 3, okay. 1 second, 1 second. Okay, pay attention. Pay attention. Pay attention. Okay, where? Kang Yu, where? Is it marked already? I thought have I not? Anyone else I miss out? Oh, I remember this moment. But it's at 2 and 3. Everything in order. 2 and 3 you got back already? Haven't gotten back. But I given back everything already. I don't have any. Yesterday, today. And that it should be gone again. Mark again. Okay, I just checked. Kai-Sin, you give back everything already. I don't. Or just I don't have it. I don't have it. You check under your table whether I have or not. Yeah. I also remember vaguely that I marked yours. DT also I remember I got marked. Okay. So anyone else? Yeah, let me check Colin's one. Colin one I don't have it. Okay, who else? Oh. Okay. Okay, can I go on Okay. Okay, so can you go to topic 4 notes now? Please take out topic 4 notes. It's okay, go to the toilet and walk. Okay, so please go to topic 4 now. Have you all done your AFL? AFL done? Okay. I passed you back already. Have you gotten it back? You should, this morning I gave a whole stack back. I still remember you got 4 marks upon 6 marks. You got the last 2 wrong. So, I will share with you lah. Okay, Okay, inequality. The rest of you who haven't done, can you just do it now? It takes you barely less than 2 minutes to do. Very easy one. Okay, Can Just do your AFL now. I will not collect this AFL. I will not collect. Okay, I will not collect. Because very easy, it's very easy. Okay. AFL. Topic 4, AFL 1. Have you all gotten it? Who don't have? You don't have, you can take one from Kaisen's file. I got extra. Okay. No, same one. Oh, sorry, I thought the same. Okay. You all have, okay. Just I have, okay. Just help me to do it very quickly. Now, when you solve this, right? Okay, remember, guys. Okay, this is more for like quiz 2 lah. Remember to put n. Remember to put n. Yeah, remember to put n. What's that? What are you looking at? Thank you, sir. God bless you. Such a good man. Okay, can So when you combine both answers, x more than 4, less than or equal 7, that is where you get between 4 and 7. Okay? Remember the inclusive and exclusive inequality. Now, if you see question 2, now, okay, this kind of question, what was it I wanted to say? What's the important thing? Okay, this kind of question, okay, you see this kind of question, most of the time, the answers that you choose, right, they are on the endpoints. They are on the endpoint. Meaning, if you see, okay, I think Archie is paying attention, so I caught you, right? You see, -5 and 1, likely these are the two values. These are the two values I will submit. The answers are usually from the endpoint. Or there could be a 0 inside. So you play with this. You see, there are four possible combinations. Okay, B could be 1 or 15, A could be -1 and -1. There are total like 4 possible combinations. You will find that if I want this to be damn small, I will need A to be negative for sure, a negative small value, B to be a damn big value. Right? The biggest you can get is -15, which is B taking to be 15, A to be -1. Now, if you caught what I say just now, I will just say it again. This kind of question, O-level math they have, right? The values that they typically use are the endpoints of the inequality. Meaning, if I want to solve this question, typically I'm using 99% of the time I'm using B to be 15 or 1. I'm using A to be -4 or -5. That's how I solve this question. To unpack it, to make it less difficult. Okay? So part 1 answer is -15. Or I think if you got it wrong, go and do a question. Okay? The smallest possible value of B over A should be -15. If I put 15 as B, -1 as A, that gives me the smallest value. Is it okay? Can I? Largest possible. Once again, I want to encourage you. What you are doing is you are subbing A to be -5 or -1, B to be 1 or 15. Jia Kai, can you repeat to me what I just said? Typically for this kind of question, what are the values I will sub for A and B? Okay, you sick. Sorry. Okay, today I don't spray you. Okay. What's the value for A and B? What should I usually sub in? Why 15? What do I usually sub? What are the two values I usually sub? Why? Okay, 15 and -1? I typically sub yellow, I will sub. Okay, this kind of question, smallest, bigger possible, largest possible, typically A, right? A is between -0 and -5, right? I sub in the endpoint. I sub in the B then I also sub in the to test our answer. You understand? Okay, Okay. Can. Pay attention, if not tomorrow I bring fire hose. Okay. So if all goes well, your answer should be this. Okay, Sorry? Oh. Isabel. What's the name of the... Never mind. Okay. Bless you. Okay. I also sick. Okay, so we do. Okay. What question is this question? Okay, so you must when you solve, right? You must solve n. You solve left hand side like this. You solve right hand side like this. Okay, we're not done. Okay. Okay, so if you are done, are you done already? Who is still doing? Who is still doing? Okay. Okay, so this one, if you are done, I'm going to mark all as corrected. Okay, because I think it's very easy. Okay, Aditi not here, right? Ari Krishnan Hashini is here. Atiakan Sujata Prabhatika here. Salihan not here. Alia here. Salihan is sick. Colin have Kaden Fong is here. Ong Tong Kai is here. Sean Tam is here. Okay. Aiden is here. Isabella Wu Yitian is here. Emily here. Shivani here. Kang Yo is here. Yan is here. Kaisen here. Archie here. Archie attendance very good. Keep it up. Okay. Okay. Sadhana is here. Xavier not here. Renee is here. Dora Zhong Han Yun is here. Micah is here. Okay, okay. So all AFL done. Okay, consider. Okay. I don't need to mark. Yeah. Just mark, just self mark and keep it. It's very easy. Okay. Okay. Yes. In total, I think I can't remember. 14, I think. You remember this one? Up to for 15. 15. But 15 is holiday homework. 15 is holiday homework. Oh, okay. Okay. Can okay. So let's go back to the notes. Okay. Let's go back to the notes. Okay, help me to complete. AFL don't need. Who put AFL inside? Archie. Assignment. You say the wrong thing. Okay, so I go back. Okay. Okay, I come back here. Okay, am I ready to start? Are you ready to listen? This one is quite important. Okay, make sure you pay attention. So I will have you on listening mode. Okay, can? So quadratic inequalities. Okay, how do we solve quadratic inequality? Okay, quadratic basically means power 2, right? So if you see things like this, you have a quadratic expression more than 0. What does it mean? Okay, so I just give you an example. Okay, so you see, if you have a quadratic expression that is more than 0, right? Okay, what you do is first, step 1, you sketch the graph y equals to ax squared. First, you sketch the graph y equals to x squared minus 6, sorry. Okay. Step 2, you check where y is more than 0. Okay. So pay attention. So what you want is you have the x squared minus 6. Now you see you want the y to be more than 0. Now where is y more than 0? Where is y more than 0? Okay, where is y more than 0? Sorry. Okay, it's basically above. Can you see that? If you look at the graph, these two portions, right, where x is more than 3, where x is less than 2. These are the segments where your y value is more than 0. Okay, ma? Sorry, negative 2. Thank you. Love you. Okay. So, all x less than minus 2. Clear so far? So, okay. I know strong students are able to do it easily. Okay, but, okay, let's just take note. For JH3, you need to have the graph. Clear so far? So, all your practice set assignment, you need to show the graph. For quiz 2, you also need to show the graph. Clear? Okay, so far? Okay, now, number line no need. Oh, okay. Oh, here in this case they ask for. Okay, sorry. Okay, but they ask for number line. Okay, but end of the day you can see where is the y more than 0? Because you want this. If this is y equals to this, you want your y to be more than 0, right? This is the part where you see y more than 0. Okay, so that's how you represent your answer. Then finally you write down all. Okay, you write down all. Can I? Can I, Colin? Can I, Colin? So you write down all. Clear so far? Yes. Why you change sign? What do you mean? Oh, you mean if I change this to less than 0? Is that what you mean? If I flip the sign, good question. Okay, so if I flip the sign, just give me a while. Everyone still copy. Okay, once they copy finish, I will show you. If they flip the sign, can you very simple? They are talking about this. This is the part. Less than 0 is here. Right? Okay, so okay, highlighted in green. This is the part. You can see this green portion. This is the solution for x squared minus x minus 6 less than 0. Right? Because imagine if you are drawing y, right? It's like y less than 0, simultaneous. It's like y less than 0. Can you see the green color part? Am I able to convince you here all my y values are negative? So what I'm saying is my solution is this. When x is between -2 and 3, this is my answer. Okay, ma? Not related to this question. This is just an extension. Where are you? Where is your topic for notes? Take out your topic for notes. Pay attention to what I say. Okay? Can don't do your homework in class. You must listen. Yes. If it's above 0 means it's above the x. Okay. If it's below 0 means it's below the x. Okay. So okay. First of all, step one. Okay. You solve something like this: ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay. It can be more than, it can be less than. Okay. You solve this. Sorry. Why is it so? You solve this. Okay. Example, you are solving this. Step 1. You check A is positive or A is negative. Right? If A is positive, A is negative, what do? It affects the curve, right? So if A is positive, straight away you draw a graph up. Typically, you just try to keep it positive. You cannot, you just multiply by -1. Okay? Step 2, you solve, for example, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. You get x1 and x2. These two are your coordinates. Clear so far? I only see Kaisen when they copy. I see, okay. Can So if it's more than 0, it means you're looking for the grey color portion. Okay? So then you say answer x, example -2 and 3, and x less than -2, or x more than 3. Clear? So things that you need to recap, your JH2 stuff, sketching the curve. Alright, but you don't need the full shape and everything, just the shape, intersect, and you can see this is where your y value is positive, this is where y value is negative. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can Comfortable so far? Okay. Okay, if you are copying, okay, this is not for that note example. That one is here. Okay, that one is here. Okay, that one you copy this. Okay? That one you copy this. Okay, okay, you copy this. Okay, so now I will test you already. I'll test you. Okay, some of you still copying. Okay, wait. Okay, I stop here. I pause here first. You still copying, is it? No, okay. Then I come here. Okay. So that means if you look at the graph, right? Now if you look at this, right, we know that this portion here is where your y is positive. This portion here is where, sorry, wrong. Where your y is negative, right? This portion here is where your y is positive, right? But if you follow the number line, I want to think in terms of x. What does this represent? This is x more than 2. I'm on the right of 2, right? So x is more than 2. This here, x less than 1. This here, x between 1 and 2. Is it okay? Right, so for example, if I solve x squared minus 3x plus 2 less than 0, you think about solving this simultaneously with y less than 0. Okay, this, right, is the same as solving this. You know that y is x squared minus 3x plus 2, and you want y to be less than 0. I want y to be less than 0. Imagine this is y. Imagine this is y. Imagine this is your y, right? Imagine this is your y. This is my function. Less than 0. I imagine this is my y. I want my y to be less than 0. I look at the graph. For it to be less than 0, it's basically x between 1 and 2. Is it okay? Yeah, lor. Is it okay? Most important must understand the graph. That's why they tell you to draw the graph. Emily, okay? Yeah? Okay. I want to test somebody now. Okay, x squared minus plus 5x plus 6 less than 0. I factorize, I get x plus 2, x plus 3 less than 0. Is my answer number 1? Is my answer number 1? Is my answer number 2? Is my answer number 3? Or is my answer number 4? Okay, I can tell you the graph looks like that. Okay, so the minus 3 and minus 2. Which is it? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Okay, the first person I want to ask is Jia Kai. Choose someone. Choose someone. Sean? Sean. 1. Okay, Sean, choose another person. Jia Kai, what's your answer? Do you think Sean is correct? Huh? Are you sure? He is correct. You say it's 3? He is 3. It's what? It's 3. It's 1. It's 1. It's 1 because I already showed you the graph. You see, when it's less than 0, you're looking for this, correct? You're looking at this. Can or not? Can, Okay, today is the first day I'm learning. I want to tell you this potentially can get confusing. And since you all are studying for quiz, you all will forget. Okay, so not to worry. Topic 4 practice sets I'll only collect after the Xingyu. What are you doing with your iPad? Okay. Vin, what is there on your iPad? What are you looking at your iPad? Nothing. Okay, then pay attention. Look at me. Okay, that's all for today. Thursday we will continue. Okay. Thursday, please bring your revision package and time practice.